Alright everybody, I got something to show you here. We're just down here at the main lot kind of cleaning things up and looking around, and look what we found here. See that? What is that right there? That, my friend, is a snake skin. So some snake climbed up this tree and shed his skin, and you can see he's about 5 feet long, maybe four or 5 feet long. See that? Yeah. And typically this would be a python, because right here is the mangrove swamp. Right here, that's mangrove swamp all there. So the pythons live in there. They're going to live somewhere around here. They're going to live in there. But we never really see big ones here. We've seen a couple babies, and that's the biggest one that we saw right there as far as the skin goes. But these are all of our lubi-lubis, which is lubi means coconut, and if you say it twice, lubi-lubi, that means not coconut. So these look like a coconut, but they're not. That's the Philippine way of saying it's not, is to say it's twice. So these are lubi-lubis. So I gotta keep my eyes open. I mean, a python will bite you. They're not poisonous, but they will bite you if you threaten them. Because when I saw the one on the road just at the edge of Santa Fe town, I got out and was taking a picture, and I got too close and he jumped. I mean, he leaped right at me. And of course I jumped and screamed like a girl, but that's beside the point. The point is that they will, if they think you're encroaching on them, they will come and try to get you. So always beware that when you're around mangrove swamps and things like that. And I think any island might have these pythons. Not all islands have cobras. Luzon has cobras. I think maybe Mindanao has cobras. Cebu, I don't believe, has any cobras. And I don't know what other islands might have cobras. But anyway, this, I'm guessing, is a python skin. So we will be back with more from my paradise on Bantayan Island, pythons and all. Bye for now.